the court is looking at this probable cause affidavit, which is most disturbing. You're with me? This is for you.
Yes, sir.
This probable cause affidavit is most disturbing.
I understand what I'm saying is at that point you're setting.
You think I'm sorry for him? I feel sorry for the fetus and the pregnant lady.
This case is brutal. A pregnant victim of violent assault and a judge who's clearly done with excuses. Watch how quickly the judge shuts down sympathy arguments and focuses entirely on accountability, evidence, and the unborn child's safety. Stay with me. This hearing escalates fast.
The victim here was 5 months pregnant with your child. She was taking a shower when you went over to her house, punched her in the stomach. The pregnant lady punched her in the stomach. She was nude. She was unable really to be able to defend herself, put in a bad spot. She says you also picked up a kitchen knife and stated you would kill her. You broke her phone. Police were called. They had visible injuries to her face, scratches on her chin, swollen side of her face. You fled, of course, before the police could arrive. And then, since the incident had occurred, according to the probable cause affidavit, you subsequently called her threatening violent acts. What else could you have done wrong? I can't imagine really a more selfish act could be done than punching a pregnant woman in the stomach. Shame on him. Mr. Man, Mr. Gentleman. And it's your child, right?
Yes, sir.
Visible injuries change everything. Once police see swelling and scratches, the case becomes fact-based, not emotional. And fleeing the scene? Judges read that as guilt, not fear or confusion.
Punching the mother of your child's stomach, 5 months pregnant. Well, it's about as low as it can get. You've got 153 days. I can sentence you up to 180 days as a condition of probation, and you're going to get all of that. You've still got 27 days to go. You're going to go back to jail. You're going to get every minute of jail that you can. Don't look at him. Look at me. I can sentence you as a term of probation to 180 days. You have 153 days credit. You're going to do 27 more. To the last second for this. Yeah.
If I may, Mr. Francois has seen the error of his ways and he is currently enrolled.
How does he take back punching a pregnant woman in the stomach? And he's seen the error of his ways? He has? How long did that take? I mean, I don't mean to be facetious, but this is clear to everybody on this planet that this is wrong. And I couldn't care less the way you think about this. Really? What are you upset about? That you're being held accountable to assaulting a pregnant woman? This upsets you? You find something unfair about this? Speak. Do you? Or do you think this is atonement for what a terrible error you did? Or am I putting words in your mouth? Because I don't hear much regret.
Your Honor, I'm not saying anything I did was right.
Okay. All right. So, yeah, go ahead.
Yes. I have made changes in my life.
How do you take back punching a pregnant woman in the stomach? And what kind of harm can that do to a fetus?
I can't.
Immeasurable. No, you can't. But you can, by your actions, do better. you can also, by the terms and conditions of probation that I'm going to set, be an example for others that this is not acceptable. You're going to talk to him while I'm speaking to you?
Oh, so,
Is this boring you?
no, sir.
What?
Judge, if I might finish.
Go ahead.
He's been on bond for 2 years at this point, had no issues. He is currently enrolled in a welding certification process. He graduates next month. So putting him in prison right now or in jail thwarts his entire life. I understand what I'm saying is at that point you're setting.
You think I'm sorry for him?
The judge uses full authority here. He's not buying remorse, not impressed by programs, and makes it clear violence against a pregnant woman gets maximum accountability, not sympathy or negotiation.
I feel sorry for the fetus and the pregnant lady who he punched at 5 years, at 5 months pregnant. That's who I'm feeling concerned about. Or am I missing the boat here, gentlemen?
You're not at all, Judge, but I will.
He's going to do 180 days and he still has 27 days. Do you work on weekends?
No, sir, only Monday through Friday.
Okay, then you can serve it on weekends so you can keep your work.
Okay.
You check in at 6, on or before 6 o'clock every Friday. You got 27 days
Yes, sir.
to do it on successive weekends.
Yes, sir.
And you're going to begin this coming Friday.
Sir.
The
Thank you,
weekend after
Judge.
Thanksgiving,
Sir,
the weekend after Thanksgiving, this Friday.
this weekend.
Okay, just making sure I understand.
No, yeah, this weekend. I just,
It's being cool.
this is the kind of thing that's not even a question. This is clear that this is most serious and disturbing. And how you thought that this was going to solve any kind of relationship problem. It defies imagination of any reasonable person. And it wouldn't be, I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't stand for something. And that is this kind of behavior deserved punishment. And I'm not going to be light on what I can do under these circumstances. I'm going to protect fetuses and pregnant ladies. I have a feeling that you regret what you did. I really do. But I wish you would have called me an hour before you went over and said, I'm about to do something foolish. Help me make the right choice, Judge. And I'd have helped you because this one is clear. This was a bad choice. And you're just lucky that is the child fine? Appears to be fine? Well, then thank our Creator for taking care of it, of the child. But it wasn't because of you. Are you going to take care of the child in your responsibilities under the law
Yes, sir.
and nature,
Yes, sir.
and treat the child with love?
Yes, sir.
And the mother, y'all didn't get married or anything.
No, sir.
No. But nonetheless, are you going to respect the mother of the child?
Yes, sir.
Those are going to be the orders of the court. You got to report on it before 6 o'clock p.m. So.
Strong finish by the judge. Protect the unborn, punish the act, demand responsibility. Clear message. Some behavior has no excuse. If this shocked you, like, comment, and subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns.